Black color. Green color. Yellow color. Blue color. Red color. White color. Capital letter A. A is for aeroplane. Small letter A. Capital letter B. B is for book. Small letter B. Capital letter C. C is for car. Small letter C. Capital letter D. D is for duck. Small letter D. Capital letter E. E is for elephant. Small letter E. Capital letter F. F is for flower. Small letter F. Capital letter G. G is for giraffe. Small letter G. Capital letter H. H is for house. Small letter H. Capital letter I. I is for ice cream. Small letter I. Capital letter J. J is for jug. Small letter J. Capital letter K. K is for kite. Small letter K. Capital letter L. L is for lemon. Small letter L. Capital letter M. M is for mango. Small letter M. Capital letter N. N is for nest. Small letter N. Capital letter O. O is for orange. Small letter O. Capital letter P. P is for parrot. Small letter P. Capital letter Q. Q is for queen. Small letter Q. Capital letter R. R is for rose. Small letter R. Capital letter S. S is for sun. Small letter S. Capital letter T. T is for tiger. Small letter T. Capital letter U. U is for umbrella. Small letter U. Capital letter V. V is for violin. Small letter V. Capital letter W. W is for water. Small letter W. Capital letter X. X is for X-ray. Small letter X. Capital letter Y. Y is for York. Small letter Y. Capital letter Z. Z is for zebra. Small letter Z. Now repeat the alphabets from A to Z. You can repeat with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay kids, thank you for watching and don't subscribe the channel. Okay, take care.